Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create a second YouTube channel in the same account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you got to do is simply go to your YouTube studio. So once you have gone to your YouTube studio, simply tap on your settings and there you can find this kind of interface. So once you're here, all you got to do is simply tap on your channels. So once you have tapped on your channels as well, so you will end up in this kind of interface basically. So simply scroll down and go in the advanced settings option. So once you have been in advanced setting, tap on manage YouTube accounts. So after you have done this, you will end up here. So simply tap on view advanced setting. So once you have tapped on view advanced settings as well, you can find an option called create a channel. Simply tap on it and add a channel name right over there. Once you have done it, you will be able to create a second YouTube channel in the same account as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.